Tired of salmon skin that's more soggy than satisfying? Frustrated when that perfect crispy texture seems impossible to achieve? Today, the AI chef unveils a surprisingly simple trick, a game changer that guarantees impossibly crispy skin, every time. The secret? Slowly rendering the fat, transforming that skin into edible gold. Welcome to AI Chef. Let's create this culinary masterpiece together. Let's start by prepping the salmon. Thoroughly patting the fillets dry with paper towels is crucial. Removing excess surface moisture sets the stage for maximum crispiness. You'll find precise measurements in the detailed recipe below. But why is drying so vital? Now, a simple seasoning of salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides. The salt not only enhances the salmon's inherent flavors, but also draws out any lingering moisture, further contributing to that irresistible crispness. What simple touch will ignite our taste buds? Here's where the magic truly begins. Place the seasoned salmon fillets, skin side down, in a cold non-stick skillet. This step is absolutely paramount. Drizzle with olive oil. And importantly, don't turn on the heat yet. Why this unconventional start? Now, turn the heat to medium and step away. Seriously, resist any urge to poke or adjust the salmon. We want the fat to slowly render, crisping the skin uniformly. This undisturbed process takes approximately 8 to 10 minutes. What visual cue will signal our next step? With everything prepared, we arrive at the most crucial part of this recipe. This is the moment that will revolutionize your salmon cooking forever. The secret to unbelievably crispy salmon skin? The cold pan start. By beginning in a cold pan and gradually raising the heat, we allow the fat beneath the skin to render slowly and completely, resulting in evenly cooked and irresistibly crisp skin. This single move separates good salmon from extraordinary salmon. It's a culinary revelation you won't want to miss. Once the skin achieves that beautifully crispy, golden brown perfection, gently flip the salmon and cook for another 2 to 4 minutes, until cooked through. Notice how effortlessly the skin releases from the pan, a direct benefit of properly rendering the fat. The salmon is done when it flakes easily with a fork. Which complementary sauce will elevate this dish? While the salmon finishes, let's prepare our bright and flavorful lemon-dill butter sauce. In a small saucepan, melt high-quality butter over medium heat. High-quality butter is essential for that rich, velvety texture. How will all these elements unite on the plate? Add the minced garlic and sauté for just 30 seconds, until wonderfully fragrant. Vigilance is key. Burnt garlic will compromise the entire sauce. That intoxicating aroma alone is worth the effort. How can we enhance this already heavenly scent? If desired, pour in dry white wine, or chicken broth for a non-alcoholic alternative, and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing it to reduce slightly. This deglazes the pan, lifting all those flavorful browned bits from the bottom, adding remarkable depth. What vision does the wine conjure as it hits the pan? Finally, stir in fresh lemon juice, chopped dill, and capers, if using. Season with salt and pepper to taste. The lemon juice introduces a vibrant acidity that balances the butter's richness, while the dill and capers provide a refreshing, herbaceous, and slightly salty counterpoint. What transformation occurs when we drizzle it over the salmon? Generously drizzle that luscious lemon-dill butter sauce over the impeccably crispy skinned salmon. Notice how the sauce clings perfectly to the surface. This is a direct result of the meticulous cold pan start, rendering the fat slowly to achieve maximum crispiness. Serve immediately and prepare to be amazed. That perfectly crispy skin, the flaky salmon, the bright and flavorful sauce. A symphony of textures and tastes destined to impress. The ultimate test is the taste. And there you have it. Behold the glorious result. Perfectly crispy skinned salmon, undeniably bursting with flavor, achieved by mastering the simple yet transformative secret of the cold pan start. This, my friends, embodies the AI chef difference, bringing restaurant quality results directly to your kitchen. For the complete, detailed recipe with precise measurements and step-by-step instructions, check the video description below. If you learned something new and found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for weekly culinary insights, and share in the comments which incredible dish you'd like the AI chef to create next. Until next time, happy cooking!